Welcome back to Sunday Fun Day, where we review our Fidelity Health Savings Account spreadsheet. The good news for the month is that we are fully funded with our last $300 deposit. That means we have deposited $3,550 into our health savings account. That is the most you're allowed to contribute in 1 year. As you can see here, we only have $2,184.70 in this account. That's because I started this one after the bank had cut the interest rate. So we had already put some money in our bank health savings account, but we fully funded it before the end of the year. So that's a huge accomplishment for me. So as you can see, we still have a little bit of money in cash. We got about $140 left in cash, which I have an order out right now that if this Ben goes below $20, we're going to buy 4 more shares of that. But what we did add for the month is we added 12 more shares of People's United, which with those 12 shares that we added $2.16 worth of dividends. Also, we decided to get so that we have a full share of Apple, so we officially own 1 share of Apple stock. That's pretty exciting. And then we also added another $100 to VOO, which that brings the total for VOO all the way up to 1.404 shares. So the good news is for the whole health savings account, we're up $61, and then we've actually received $3.11 worth of dividends so far. In the month of July, we just received another dividend. That one was for Ben. Let me type this in here real quick, so you can kind of see how we do this. This is the Ben dividend. And that amount was $6.48. And then we have to type it in here. Then we have to type it over here. That's 8,648. So that brings the monthly dividend total up to $9.59. So if you take that $9.59 and compare it to the interest rate on my bank account, health savings account, we officially made more money in 1 month doing the health savings account this way versus just giving it to the bank. So that's pretty impressive. And then if you also add in the unrealized gains, we've done pretty well so far, which this could change. The unrealized gains could change every day because the prices go up and down, but this is what we're focusing on, is trying to make money here, because this money you get to keep and reinvest. So, but that's pretty much it. These videos may get a little boring because it's basically just going to be the dividend money coming in, and I believe I'll have dividends every month, but I don't have a monthly paying dividend. But the other thing I need to decide is what I'm going to buy with the dividends. I was debating on whether I would just buy more shares of whatever dividend the stock came from, or in my other accounts I've kind of picked one stock to buy with the dividend money. So I'm kind of debating on buying a monthly paying dividend stock, or like a total growth stock, like a kind of like a gamble stock that could go up a lot in value. I don't really know what to do, just because the payment amounts aren't going to be very much. So as of right now, I don't really know what I'm going to do. But if you have any suggestions, put a comment down below, and I'll take a look at it, and maybe that'll help make my mind up. So also wanted to show you the good thing about having a lot of different stocks or different accounts and stuff is that here's all the stocks together, and you can see that we're only down $51.60. If you remember from a previous video, I started this dividend portfolio before the big crash, and we were down a lot of money. So hopefully I'm going to be able to add some money here so I can dollar cost average on some of the lower positions. And then the Roth IRA is doing pretty good. We're up $200, and the dividends are really starting to come in now. I was able to fully fund my 2019 Roth IRA by using all of my emergency fund money, which I don't recommend doing, but hey, I mean, if you're going to have fear of missing out, you might as well spend it on that, right? as you can see, we're doing pretty good. We're chugging along, and this is a neat graph to have here. All the white stocks are all tax-free money. So like I'm almost 75% tax-free money now. So I'll never have to pay taxes on this as long as the government doesn't change how they tax people. If you want to start getting invested, there's links down below where you can get $10 from M1 Finance by starting a traditional brokerage account, and then you can also get 2 free stocks from Webull by opening a investing account and depositing $100. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.